bump, bump. To hit or knock against something slightly.
I accidentally bumped my knee against the table. The car bumped into the curb.
Crumble, crumble. To break into small pieces or to fall apart.
The cookie began to crumble when I picked it up. The old building started to crumble after years of weather damage.
Crinkle, crinkle. To make small folds or wrinkles.
She crinkled the paper before throwing it away. The crinkle in his shirt made it look old.
Hot, hot. Having a high temperature, feeling warm.
The soup is too hot to eat right now. It's hot outside, don't forget your hat.
Exposed, exposed. Not covered, revealed to view.
His skin was exposed to the sun without sunscreen. The exposed wires are dangerous and need to be fixed.
Prick, prick. To make a small hole in something with a sharp point.
I accidentally pricked my finger with a needle. The thorn on the rose bush can prick your skin.
Knockout, knockout. To make someone unconscious or to defeat someone.
The boxer knocked out his opponent in the first round. The loud noise knocked me out of my sleep.
Precious, precious. Highly valued or cherished.
The ring was a precious gift from my grandmother. Time spent with family is precious to me.
Pale, pale. Having a light color or lacking color, not bright.
She looked pale after being sick for a week. The walls in the room are pale blue.
Get over, get over. To recover from something difficult or unpleasant.
It took her a long time to get over the cold. He finally got over his fear of speaking in public.
Swathe, swathe. To wrap around or envelop.
The nurse swathed the patient's wound with a bandage. A swathe of fog covered the valley in the morning.
Ignite, ignite. To start a fire or to catch on fire.
The match will ignite the campfire. The dry leaves can ignite easily in the heat.